I grabbed a couple of sticks from my backyard. To secure it, I'm gonna take a little bit of hot glue and we're gonna just place it like that. And then give that a few minutes to harden up. I'm gonna take some wire now and tie a knot where the two sticks join together with a little bit of hot glue. Further secure it by tying it around all of these twigs. Now that we've worked in some greenery right on top of this, we're gonna take those two ends of those sticks and poke them right into the styrofoam. Now I have some other greenery. I'm gonna actually work these in the back, kind of like a little forest. Now I have an adorable baby outfit, and I think this will make the ultimate baby shower gift.
Grab a glass jar or any type of container to use as your center. We're gonna wrap one towel around this jar. Then I'm gonna wrap a second towel around this one. To cover up the rubber band, I just grabbed some decorative ribbon, wrapped it around, and I'm using some hot glue to seal them together. Now we're gonna grab our third towel, roll this up tightly and secure it with a rubber band, and then wrap the fourth towel around that one, securing it with a rubber band as well. And I'm adding that decorative ribbon to the next layer too. Now I can take this piece and set it on top of the first layer. Now I'm gonna start decorating it. And anything you stick in the cake can just stick in between all the folds of those towels.
Head to Dollar Tree and grab yourself some microfiber towels, some dishcloth, and some various other kitchen items. So I'm going to take a bath towel first, and I'm just going to roll it around as you see here and connect it at the end. Then I'm going to take a disposable cake platter sheet and I'm going to put that underneath. Then I'm going to take my dishcloths here, tri-fold them, and then I'm going to layer them on top of each other, and then I'm going to grab them all together and I'm going to wrap them around my bath towel. I'm going to take a microfiber towel and then I'm going to wrap that around all the other towels. Then I'm going to take a candle here and I'm going to place it in the middle, and then I'm going to roll up some more of the smaller microfiber towels into these neat little sausage rolls, and I'm going to secure them with an elastic, and I'm going to continue doing this until I have enough microfiber towels to go all around. Then I'm going to take another decorative microfiber towel, wrap that around these and secure that as well. I'm just going to take my last microfiber towel and I'm going to do a tri-fold, and then I'm going to roll it up, leaving the center kind of open. And I'm going to secure this one with twine, and then I'm going to place it on top, and then I'm going to take all the kitchen tools that I bought and I'm going to slide them down inside. To cover the elastics that are going around, I'm just going to use this pretty ribbon and attach that at the back.